Welcome everyone to this presentation on the AI Transformation Program. Today, we are going to explore how we can enable and empower the digital leaders of tomorrow to navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence responsibly and strategically. This initiative is brought to you by the Digital Union, focusing on two core pillars that every modern organization needs to understand: AI Aitalization and the Artificial Intelligence Body of Knowledge, or AIBOK. This program ensures that organizations aren't just adopting technology, but are doing so in full alignment with legal and ethical guardrails. This brings us to the Artificial Intelligence Body of Knowledge, or AIBOK. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. By 2030, it is projected to contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy. However, great power comes with immense risks. Currently, 85% of AI projects fail due to poor data quality or lack of governance. Furthermore, 60% of consumers distrust AI systems. 78% of organizations lack clear ethics policies, and deepfake fraud cases have exploded by 900% in just 2 years. Why do we need an AIBOK? Because while there are over 160 AI ethics guidelines globally, almost none provide actionable steps. 70% of companies struggle with compliance, and only 12% of models ever make it to production. This framework solves that by providing a structured lifecycle approach, embedding ethics by design at every stage, offering practical governance tools, and ensuring your strategy remains future ready for emerging technologies like AGI. To build a successful AI strategy, we use a framework called the Lean House of AI. Think of it as a complete system. The base is built on purpose, trust, people, and culture. On top of that rests the foundation layer, which includes AI thinking, leadership, ethics, and continuous learning. This supports 5 execution pillars: agile development, lifecycle management, the tech stack, tools, and governance. Together, they hold up the roof, which is all about AI value realization, ensuring that AI creates measurable, reliable business impact. If you remove or weaken any single layer, the entire system becomes unstable. This body of knowledge does not merely focus on algorithms or tools, it captures the broader ecosystem of AI, including organizational culture, risk management, continuous learning, and the social impact of AI technologies. AIBOK is intended to evolve alongside the AI field, serving as a living knowledge system that can be adapted, localized, and extended by institutions, industries, and countries. To establish an AI system people can truly trust, we must balance 5 essential dimensions across systemic, societal, and technical levels. First, ethical AI that protects human values. Second, responsible AI with clear human oversight. Third, transparent AI that shares how information is processed. Fourth, governed AI to ensure continuous monitoring and compliance. And fifth, interpretable and explainable AI so users can understand exactly how decisions are made. Now, let's define a crucial concept: AI Aitalization. This is the process of integrating artificial intelligence into the very core of business strategy, operations, and culture. It is not just an IT project, it is not a temporary program, and it is not just about a quick boost in efficiency. It is a fundamental transformation in how an organization thinks, decides, and delivers value. Many leaders mistakenly assume that because they finished a digital transformation, they are ready for AI. But there is a massive difference. Digital transformation adopts tools to automate existing processes, focuses on efficiency, and is led by the IT department. AI Aitalization, on the other hand, embeds intelligence directly into core business decisions, redesigns processes entirely, requires continuous learning, and must be led by the entire executive team. Digital transformation builds the infrastructure, but AI Aitalization determines if that infrastructure actually generates intelligent value. To execute this successfully, we follow the AI strategy framework, built on 3 pillars: align, accelerate, and enlighten. We begin by aligning business strategy with AI leadership and governance. We accelerate by managing the AI lifecycle, scaling cloud foundations, and deploying intelligent agents. And finally, we enlighten by future proofing our workflows, across industries like banking, healthcare, and retail to achieve sustainable, responsible innovation. Deep dive into alignment, it requires a continuous feedback loop between business and AI goals. We must bridge business KPIs with AI KPIs and ensure our overarching enterprise mission maps perfectly to our AI vision. This alignment is made possible by six transformation enablers: people and culture, a solid data foundation, scalable platforms, ethical governance, an agile operating model, and constant measurement of value. To operationalize this alignment, teams use this comprehensive canvas. It maps out your overall business, IT, and AI strategies alongside a shared vision. It explicitly outlines organizational structures, key processes, cost breakdowns, governance models, and specific metrics to monitor alignment. It serves as a single blueprint to keep every department moving in the exact same direction. When applying this to a specific department or startup, we map out a clear timeline from short term actions to a long term vision. We assess the present state, what is working and where the gaps are, and contrast it with our desired future state. Crucially, we identify obstacles, root causes, and risks early on, assigning clear ownership and success metrics to every action item. Finally, we implement a robust AI lifecycle governance loop divided into four continuous steps. Step 1 is planning, where we define business objectives and assess risks. Step 2 is design, focusing on data preparation, validation, and privacy. Step 3 is development, where models are trained, evaluated for fairness, and tested for robustness. And step 4 is implementation, where we deploy to production, monitor for data drift, and ensure long term auditability and compliance. The future belongs to organizations that combine creativity plus governance plus execution. This is why AI leadership is no longer just a technology conversation. It is becoming a strategic capability involving business, legal, risk, ethics, operations, and culture. In the AI Talization era, coding is accelerating ideas, create differentiation. Governance creates trust, trust enables scale. The next competitive advantage will not come from who can build AI fastest. It will come from who can build the most valuable and trustworthy AI systems. Thank you for your attention and engagement. We appreciate your interest in this topic. All the best wishes for AI Talization.